Hi, Mr. E. What's the matter?
I'm sad because I have run out of toys to sell. The Everything Emporium is toyless.
Maybe we could build some toys for you.
I have a special toy-making machine we can use.
We'll be right back with some toys, Mr. E. Let's go! What kind of toy do you want to create? A vehicle, stuffy, or a toy house? Choose a toy to create, or tap here to see all the toys you've created. Stuffy. Let's make Mr. E a stuffy. Tap here to start. Mr. E wants a stuffy in a chair. This stuffy must have a blue hat and a body small enough to fit on a chair. Tap the check mark when you're ready to create.
Let's start with this part of the toy. Choose the body for the stuffy.
Cool.
Paint it blue.
Make more changes to the toy or tap the check mark when you're done.
Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Thumbs up! Let's choose the next part of the toy. Choose the head for the stuffy.
Great pick.
Make it smaller. Paint it pink. You are working it out. Time to choose the last part of the toy. Choose a hat for the stuffy.
Ooh.
Add battery power to make it light up. Make it smaller. Paint it blue. Paint it green.
When this toy has everything Mr. E asked for, tap the arrow button to see the toy-making machine build this toy. Building time.
Building the body. Paint it blue. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Building the head. Make it smaller. Paint it pink. Building the hat. Add battery power to make it light up. Make it smaller. Paint it green.
Great toy design.
It's time to test the toy. What do you and your grown-up think will happen?
Tap the green play button when everyone's ready to start the test.
Does this stuffy have a blue hat?
No.
This toy looks fun, but Mr. E wants something different.
Tap here to improve this toy's design, or you can watch the test again.
What does Mr. E want?
Work with your grown-up to fix the toy.
What do you need to change?
You can take things away and add new things to change each part of the toy.
Paint it blue.
Tap the arrow button when you want to test the toy again. Building time.
Building the body. Paint it blue. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Building the head. Make it smaller. Paint it pink. Building the hat. Add battery power to make it light up. Make it smaller. Paint it blue.
Great toy design. Tap the green play button to start the test.
I can't wait to see what will happen. Does this stuffy have a blue hat?
Yes!
Does this stuffy have a body small enough to fit on a chair?
No,
I don't think this is what Mr. E asked for.
we can work it out.
What does Mr. E want? What do you need to change? Remember, this is what Mr. E wants.
Good one.
Make it smaller.
Tap the arrow button when you want to test the toy again. Building time.
Building the body. Paint it blue. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Building the head. Make it smaller. Paint it pink. Building the hat. Add battery power to make it light up. Make it smaller. Paint it blue.
Yay! Look at our toy. Tap the green play button to start the test.
I can't wait to see what will happen. Does this stuffy have a blue hat?
Yes!
Does this stuffy have a body small enough to fit on a chair?
Yes!
That was tricky, but you worked it out.
This toy has everything Mr. E asked for.
Great work creating the toy I asked for.